Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video, and in this video we're going to be looking at angles on a circumference that are in the same segment that subtend the same arc. A chord divides a circle into two segments. The larger segment is known as the major segment and the smaller one is known as the minor segment. Angles on a circumference that subtend the same arc and are in the same segment must be congruent. So you can imagine two angles that subtend the same arc. You can imagine drawing a chord from one end of the arc to the other end of the arc, and that divides the circle into two segments, a minor segment and a major segment. And if the two angles that subtend the same arc are in the same segment, then you can know that both angles are exactly the same. And the proof is rather elementary, my dear Watson. It's one of those boring, really obvious proofs where the challenge is to not overlook it because it's so very obvious. Now we know that an angle at the centre of a circle that subtends the same arc as an angle on the circumference is twice the angle on the circumference. In other words, angle C is twice angle B. It's also twice angle A. Since the same angle is twice B and twice A, that means twice B is the same size as twice A, which means A is the same size as B. And that's all there is to it. The proof is just that simple. And you might feel like, I can't say that, I'm just pointing out the obvious. Sometimes mathematical proofs is just pointing out the obvious. Okay, I hope you found that video helpful. I'd like to wish you all the best with your revision and all the best with your exams, especially if you're taking them this year. If you did find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll look forward to seeing you in another video.